To other news now, tragedy in Pepper, St. Elizabeth today after a missing woman was found dead in the community. The victim has been identified as 40-year-old Kedesha McLeod, a pharmacist from Mandeville, Manchester. In a strange twist, investigators have connected her death to a licensed firearm holder who took his own life in St. Anne hours before her body was found. Two communities, miles apart in two different parishes. Two gruesome incidents, one connection. First, the discovery. Around 9:15 Thursday morning, a farmer was taking his usual route to his farm in Pepper, St. Elizabeth, but little did he know what awaited him. He was surprised by the bullet-riddled body of 40-year-old Kedesha McLeod, a pharmacist from Mandeville, Manchester, who has been missing since Tuesday. This man was the only person who was willing to speak to our news team.
It grieved me. It grieved me because I'm telling about me. It come like a puzzle when me hear a while ago.
But in Brownstown, St. Anne, the police were already piecing the puzzle together. Around 6 a.m., they received a disturbing call about a licensed firearm holder, 50-year-old Maurice Sennell, who had taken his own life. TVJ News was informed that the police were already pursuing Mr. Sennell in relation to Ms. McLeod's missing person report. Sources say Mr. Sennell, who is originally from Montego Bay, St. James, fled to St. Anne on Wednesday after he realized that the police were pursuing him. It's believed that he's responsible for Ms. McLeod's death. Reports also suggest he sent messages to his loved ones expressing his love for them and committing to taking his life. An eyewitness who lives close to where the incident happened in Brownstown spoke to our news team.
Me really frightened. Me say, what the hell this? Because he loud and he fast too. After yesterday, must he come and did it with them. So me I said to her, I said, so I know you sleep. You know, she said after 5 o'clock he come out and sit down out there. So me said, so I know you come from? And she said, yes. After yesterday he come up and there with it. And me turn to her and say, oh, look, you say you ain't on your hand in there.
Now back in Manchester, where the female victim is from, a somber mood at Thursday's sitting of the municipal corporation.
We noticed the no-show of the police. We were hoping the police would be here to give us some reassurance as to what is happening in the parish of Manchester. As early as in the meeting this morning, we just got word of a young lady that went missing. Her body was found down by Pepper, and another body was found over by Richmond, Space, and there was a double murder also in the Alligator Pond.
Still hope that the victim will find eternal peace.
Our hearts and our prayers go to the family, to the community, and to the division. We ask you, Lord, that you will give us strength.
Still to come this evening, more details emerging on NHF system breach, and in business news, Flow launches 5G network. Stay with us, we'll be right back.